everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you most famous and delicious chicken tikka masala recipe. Oilless, oil-free chicken tikka, and I'm going to make it in air fryer. I have a 2-pound chicken breast. It's a boneless, skinless, cut into smaller pieces and washed with cold water. And let's see what other ingredients we need. Pink salt, 1 teaspoon, degi mirch, 1 teaspoon, ground ginger, garlic powder, granulated onion, half teaspoon each, cilantro, 1 teaspoon, homemade dahi, curd, half cup. To bring the color of chicken tikka, I'm going to use red-orange color. And let's start marinating. Add salt, degi mirch, ground ginger, garlic powder, granulated onion, cilantro, and dahi. How to make curd at home? I have a video posted on my channel, so please check it out. You can skip the color, but when we eat chicken tikka, it's always in red color, and we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the plate and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. We're going to marinate only 2 hours. If you like to marinate longer period of time, that's always the best. Chicken has been marinated for 2 hours. This is our traditional chicken tikka. Prior to adding into air fryer, just mix it one more time. Now I'm going to open the air fryer. This is oilless, oil-free cooking. You don't need to add anything. It's a matter of fact, it's a super healthy. So we're going to make sure that we spread it evenly. Once it's nicely laid out, place it in the air fryer. We're going to press it. We're going to start it, and it has mode built in: fries, steak, shrimp, cake, chicken. 400 Fahrenheit, and this is for 20 minutes. So we're going to press start. 400 Fahrenheit, which is 204 degrees Celsius. And we're going to cook it for 20 minutes. With 20 minutes, chicken tikka will be ready. But after 10 minutes, I'm going to open it. We're going to make sure we flip it over, we turn the chicken over, then we'll put it back again for the 10 minutes. Best chicken tikka without oil, oilless, oil-free. It's exactly 10 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. Look at delicious chicken tikka. And I'm going to make sure that we're going to turn it over. So just mix it like this. After turning the chicken pieces over, and look at this. They're looking already delicious. Spread it evenly again and place it back in air fryer. It will start automatically for 10 minutes where it left off. So within 20 minutes, our chicken tikka will be ready. It's almost done. 1 more minute to go. We have our final beat, and I'm going to open it. Look at delicious chicken tikka in air fryer. This is very moist, juicy chicken tikka. I'm going to take it out. I have my serving platter ready. Look at very tasty and delicious chicken tikka. This is oilless, oil-free cooking, and it's a super moist. Chicken tikka in air fryer is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. Oilless, oil-free. And it's very tasty and very delicious and super moist. So if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.